Imagine a life where you never have to worry about money again. Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me tell you about Quentin D'Souza. He was a regular school teacher who decided to make one smart move. He decided to get into real estate investing. Over the years, he reinvested rental income into more properties. Today, D'Souza has a portfolio of 371 units across 41 buildings in the US and Canada, according to property records viewed by Insider, and runs a real estate business buying apartment complexes. His business works only with accredited investors. Quentin's story is proof that the right investments can change your life. And in this video, I'm going to share 3 game-changing investments: income-generating real estate, growth-focused businesses, and real money assets like gold or Bitcoin. By the end, you'll know exactly how these work together to create lasting wealth. Before we dive in, let's address a common issue. Why do so many people struggle with money? The truth is, most people rely on just one source of income, their job. But jobs aren't guaranteed, and relying on a single paycheck can leave you vulnerable to layoffs, emergencies, or rising costs.
At 66 years old, returning to the workforce wasn't something he thought he'd have to do. But with the rising cost of living, many seniors can't make it on their Social Security alone.
Everything is almost doubled. $8 for a box of cereal. Yeah.
Now here's the thing. Wealthy people don't rely on a single source of income. They diversify. They invest in assets that pay them regularly, grow over time, and protect their wealth. And guess what? You can do the same thing, even if you're just starting out. 1. Income. Real estate.
Today I'm going to share with you how to make a $1 million profit on one piece of real estate. That's $1 million of profit on one piece of real estate. And at the end of the video, stay tuned.
My first property ever was a foreclosure, and I think they're still the best deals. $450,000 profit on a flip. We didn't know how we were going to buy it. We just knew it was a really, really good deal. There's about 60 of them in the same neighborhood.
First up is real estate. This is one of the most reliable ways to generate steady income and build wealth over time. Think rental properties, Airbnbs, or even commercial spaces. Rental properties provide consistent cash flow. Over time, real estate appreciates in value, building equity. You can leverage financing, like mortgages, to grow your portfolio without needing all the cash up front. Take Sarah's duplex as an example. She earned $1,500 a month from her tenant, which covered her mortgage and put extra cash in her pocket. Multiply that by several properties, and you've got a passive income stream that works even while you sleep. You don't need to start big. Platforms like REITs, real estate investment trusts, allow you to invest in real estate without owning property. Consider location carefully. Properties in growing areas tend to appreciate faster. 2. Growth. Businesses.
This August, Apple became the most valuable publicly traded company in the world, overtaking Aramco as its market cap soared past $2 trillion for the first time ever.
When you first invested in Apple, how much money was your initial investment?
We started on the 1998, 70,000 for the 600. That's how we started. We didn't spend much on it. That was cheap.
Just recently, you finally hit $1 million in your total investment. What was that moment like?
She's more excited about, we are participating in it, not the money.
Yeah, not the money part.
Next, let's talk about businesses. Investing in a business, whether it's your own or someone else's, can multiply your wealth like nothing else. Businesses are engines of growth, and if you play it right, they can deliver massive returns. Start your own business to control your income and scale it as you grow. Invest in franchises for a ready-made system with less risk. Buy stocks to own a piece of successful companies without managing operations. Think of early investors in companies like Amazon or Tesla. They put in a small amount when the companies were starting and now have millions because those businesses exploded in value. Tips: diversify your business investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Use tools like ETFs, exchange-traded funds, to invest in a basket of companies. 3. Real money, gold and Bitcoin.
Can you tell us what's driving the gold buying lately? What did you think about the post-election slump?
I think what we've seen is that gold is always a measure of risk, a global risk, and I think We saw a little correction with the elections, but I think what gold's measuring is much more fundamental.
Prices moving above $99,000 today. The cryptocurrency's market cap, the price multiplied by circulating supply, it's nearly $2 trillion now.
Finally, let's talk about real money. This includes physical assets like gold and modern digital assets like Bitcoin. These aren't just investments. They're stores of value that protect your wealth. Gold. Gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries. It's a safe haven during economic downturns or inflation. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Its limited supply makes it a hedge against inflation. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or central authority. Example, during the 2008 financial crisis, gold prices surged as investors sought safety. And during recent market uncertainties, Bitcoin has gained massive popularity for similar reasons. Tips: allocate a small percentage of your portfolio to these assets. Too much can make your portfolio volatile. Look into gold ETFs or custodial wallets for Bitcoin to make it easier to invest. How these three investments work together. Here's the magic of these three investments. They work together to create financial security. Real estate gives you steady income, businesses grow your wealth, and real money assets like gold or Bitcoin protect your investments from inflation and market crashes. Start small if you have to. Maybe it's a duplex, a side hustle, or buying a single gold coin. The important thing is to start, because the sooner you invest, the sooner you can build a life where money isn't a worry anymore. Which of these three investments excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's ready to take control of their financial future.